In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add line breaks and indent bullet points in Slack on desktop. If you've ever typed a message in Slack and accidentally sent it before it was finished, this will save you a lot of frustration. By default, pressing enter sends your message. So when you want a new line without sending, you'll use a simple shortcut. Hold shift and tap enter. Think of it as telling Slack, I'm still writing. You can use shift plus enter as many times as you need to add clear paragraphs, separate ideas, or format longer notes. This works the same way in channels, direct messages, and threads, and it keeps everything neatly inside the same message bubble until you're ready to send. Let's put that into practice. Start typing your first sentence. When you want a new line, hold shift and press enter. You'll see your cursor drop to the next line without posting the message. Keep typing. Need another line break? Shift and enter again. You can stack a few of these to create clean sections, especially useful when you're drafting an update or sharing multiple thoughts at once. Now, let's talk about lists. To begin a bulleted list, type an asterisk, then a space, and write your item. If you prefer a numbered list, type a number followed by a period, then a space, and write your first step. The key to building the next indented bullet point is the same shortcut. Hold shift and press enter to create a new line without sending, then add your next bullet or number and keep going. Because you used shift plus enter, Slack keeps everything in one message, so your list doesn't get broken up across separate posts. When you're organizing subpoints under a main idea, use shift and enter to drop to a new line beneath your top level bullet, then continue with your next bullet text. This keeps your structure clear and easy to scan. Repeat that pattern for as many bullets or steps as you need, and only press enter on its own when you're ready to send the entire message. A couple of quick tips. If you paste text with multiple lines, Slack typically preserves the breaks, but you can refine spacing with shift and enter. Use numbered lists when the order matters, like instructions, and bullets when you're grouping related items. To recap, use shift plus enter to add a new line without sending, start lists with an asterisk and a space, or a number and a period, and use shift plus enter again to move to the next indented bullet point. With these basics, your Slack messages will look cleaner, read easier, and land exactly as you intend.